Welcome to Nanoscientific Research Center. In this session, let's have a look on SCADA. SCADA is nothing but supervisory control and data acquisition. See, why SCADA is required in our industries. In previous days, the industry is going to control by some PLCs, CNC and PID controllers. This coding will be in some assembly language, but the SCADA is given the flexible in graphical manner. Now, how the SCADA will be work? See, this SCADA is taking the data from field instruments to controller, from your control to SCADA software, and vice versa. Means SCADA is going to control, sending a signal to controller and controller to field instruments. See, where we are going to use the SCADA software? Mainly in hazardous conditions, just like your oil and gas and chemical factory and for some pharmaceutical factories like this. And the features of SCADA. The SCADA supports features. Those are dynamic representation, database connectivity, device connectivity, alarms, trends, scripts, recipe management, networking. Like this, so many features will be available by using SCADA software. Let's have a look on dynamic representation. Dynamic representation is nothing but it is a graphical representation of industrial equipments. For example, physically we have the motor. That motor will be presented in your SCADA software. Next, database connectivity. Now, by using this feature, we are going to save the data in Excel sheet or SQL Server or VB or SAP. Next, device connectivity. This SCADA is not a 100% controller because it is taking the data from PLC. So, it is have this feature of device connectivity. Next, alarms. Alarm is nothing but it is an alert signal to an operator to do required process. So that alert signal is given by alarm features. In these alarms, we have the different types of alarms. Those are historical alarms and real-time alarms. And next feature is trends. Trends is nothing but the process parameters we are going to monitor in graphical representation. Nothing but XY coordinations. Next ones are scripts. In your scripts also, we have the different types of scripts. Windows scripts, application scripts, conditional scripts, key scripts, like this. What is script? Script is nothing but we are giving some instruction. Those are if, else if, then. By using that instruction, what are the application we require? By using these instructions, we are going to implement the program. And next one, security. Security is nothing but SCADA is going to provide some authentication. That is nothing but username and password. By using that username and password, the particular employee is going to log in into that process and he was going to control the process. And recipe management. Recipe management is mainly used in food processing industry. For example, if you want to prepare a tanzar, what are the ingredients we require and the quantities, everything will be defined in recipe management window. And the next feature is networking. See, by using this networking, we are going to transfer the data. We are going to save the data in some SQL servers, all those things. That facility will be supported by networking feature of SCADA. See, this cost of SCADA will be depends on mainly two factors. Those are number of packages and number of tags. Package is nothing but we have the three different types of packages. Those are DRL, RL and factory focus. In DRL, we can able to develop the project, run and network. And in RL, we have the facility only run and networking. And tags. And tag names. See, tag is nothing but it is an object name. See, depending upon the number of tags increases, your cost of the SCADA goes to increases. Here we have the memory tags and IO tags and different types of tags we have. IO tags are mainly used to when the PLC is going to interact, the SCADA is going to interact with your PLC. And these are some of the applications for SCADA software. In chemical process, and this is the example for gas and water pipelining. And this is the reservoir maintenance. And this is the process for cement factory. Thank you for watching this session.